job, Malcolm.
What's up, big ass?
I'll go in a minute. You keep jumping in. I'll be right here.
Oh, I'm worried about steps.
What? Over here.
3, 2, 1, 3.